Happy friends, it's Kim back from Making Creative Memories in Time. I am here today working on a fabulous Days of December tag album. I've already got page 1 finished. I wanted to pop on real quickly and show you how I'm doing this. So next step is going to be page 2 or day 2. And what I want to do on day 2 is, this is going to be, I'm trying to think if I want a 3x3 photo or if I want a 4x4. Let's do a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 photo. Pull my photo trimmer in. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim this down to, let's go to 3 1/4. And then we're going to go to 3 1/4. And then, so that'll be a little bit larger photo in that space. And I'll do like I did here. I'll do some trim around that. But let's pull in these journal cards that came, or these cards that came with the Artsy Add-On. Trying to locate the ones that have words on them. I don't want to use them. There we go. I want red. So we want to mat this. And if I did a itty bitty mat, itty bitty mat, that's going to show up. So we're going to come back, and that photo was 3 3/4. And this is going to work beautifully as a mat. You're not going to be able to see a lot of it, but it's just going to be enough to pop it right off that page. So this kit, sadly, this December Days kit, sadly is no longer available. However, if you did luck up and get this kit before it went away, it was hot, I think pretty much from the moment that it was available, and mine just came yesterday. You can go back. There is an unboxing that will be linked below, and that, I can't get that straight, friends. You can see me unbox this, and like from the moment that I saw it, I knew exactly what I was going to do with this. Exactly. I'm so excited that this is going to be, let's move this down just a little bit, friends, and let's look at what, and I'm looking at, there's tons of different embellishments and things. Ooh, I love this, the Spirit of Christmas, or best part of the season. I'm just looking to see what's really going to show up there. Now, these are embellishments that are part of, some of them are part of the Artsy Add-On kit. This is still available. The Artsy Add-On kit, at last check, this was still available. And then some of these are actually laser embellishments. Just looking to see if there's something very merry. I just want to see what's going to stand out. That Very Merry is going to stand out. Really pretty. Love these moments. I don't know that love these I like that Very Merry. Indeed, I do. I think I like that, friends. Let me just keep looking. This is the fun part. Trying to pick out all the pretties and which of the pretties that you want to use. So we need to pull a day 2 sticker because we know we're going to be using a day 2 on here somewhere. And it's red. Let's see what else we have. I like the holly. I do like the holly. Okay, so seeing that that's an entirely different red, that changes things for me, friends. I like this Christmas. Let's do that this Christmas. And see, not knowing what your photos are going to be. So let's use our powder, and we're just going to powder up this end. This thing is magic. Absolute magic. And no mess whatsoever. So we're going to let this overlap a little right here. Let's just make sure we got enough. Okay, we're going to let this overlap this way. Same way right here. We're going to let this overlap. Now, if you're interested in seeing how this tag book plays out, because I won't have a video every single page I do, I encourage you to hop over to my Facebook group, link down below, to join that, because it's very likely that I will work on this tag book in that Facebook group. So make sure that you are following that. And let's just make sure I'm going to be able to get a photo in there. I'm going to be able to get my photo there. So there we go, friends. Now, is there going to be a lot of journal space in this? No, there's not going to be a lot of journal space in this. This is just going to document December for my family. And chances are, like here, I could journal a little around the box if need be. A little bit strip journaling if need be. Same way here, I could journal a little around the box. So there, friends, is already day 1 and day 2. And then day 3 will be super easy. So hopefully you are inspired. If you have this and you were not sure what to do with it, hopefully this inspires you to cut your tags apart and create a December days of December. And then this is going to go on a ring. And it'll just flip like this. And then I'm going to use this gorgeous organza ribbon to tie this off. And yeah, so thanks so much, friends. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post new content. Thanks, friends, and happy scrapping.